How to connect the Accupoint with Nokta Bluetooth headphones and your Nokta detector. Turn on your Nokta Bluetooth headphones.
Power on.
Power on the detector and activate the Bluetooth setting. Initial pairing may take longer. When connected, the headphones and Bluetooth icons will appear solid on the screen and you'll hear the connected prompt.
Connecting.
The detector is now connected to the headphones. To connect with the Accupoint, first turn the detector off.
Disconnect.
Then turn the headphones off and turn them back on.
Power off. Power on.
Turn on the Accupoint and activate the Bluetooth setting. Initial pairing may take longer. Please wait for the connection. A solid headphones icon indicates a successful connection. Turn off the Accupoint and turn the detector back on. The detector will connect with the BT headphones automatically. Once you turn the Accupoint on, the sound will automatically switch from the detector to the Accupoint. Similarly, once you turn the Accupoint off, the sound will switch back to the detector.